From this video, you will get tips about how to pass the PEGACPDC24V1 Certified Pega Decisioning Consultant 24. What is the CPDC certification? Key skills validated. PEGACPDC24V1 exam information. PEGACPDC24V1 key topics. Tips for passing the PEGACPDC24V1 exam. One. The arbitration factor that allows you to assign financial values to actions is called blank. A. Business levers. B. Propensity. C. Action value. D. Context weighting. Answer: C. 2. Which two of these statements is true about creating segments? Choose 2. A. The list of customers in a segment can be viewed from within the segment. B. A segment run can be triggered by the next best action outbound schedule. C. In a segment you can reference customer properties or another segment, but not both. D. When building the segment, if you want to know the count resulting from the criteria defined so far, the only way to do this is by running the segment. E. The result of a criteria group can be combined with the result above it using an and or operators. Answer: A, B. 3. U+ Bank has decided to present the Platinum Plus credit card, a lower-ranked card, to customers who visit their homepage. Which arbitration factor do you configure to implement this requirement? A. Business levers. B. Context weighting. C. Propensity. D. Action value. Answer: A. 4. A bank has several credit card offers defined under the sales issue credit card group. The card_type action property for some of the cards is set to Visa and for others to MasterCard. The bank wants to limit the total number of Visa cards sent via email in an outbound run. How do you implement this requirement? A. Define a property constraint based on the value of the card_type action property. B. Define a group-level constraint to limit all credit cards. C. Move the Visa and MasterCard actions to separate groups, then define 2 separate volume constraints. D. Define an action-level constraint for each of the actions separately. Answer: A. 5. U+ Bank has a product eligibility matrix that defines what type of customers qualify for which offers when customers visit the bank's website. Which 2 components in the Next Best Action Designer allows you to define these conditions? Choose 2. A. Arbitration. B. Channels. C. Engagement policy. D. Constraints. Answer: C, D. 6. A bank has chosen an email service provider to deliver the offer messages selected by Pega Customer Decision Hub. The service provider prefers that the bank uploads a file per batch of customers to a cloud storage location, either on Microsoft Azure or Amazon S3. As a consultant working on the project representing the bank, what is your response? A. Action details can only be transferred via secure FTP. B. Action details will be written to the local file system by default. But we will write an external process to transfer them to the cloud. C. Action details can be written directly to Amazon S3 but not Microsoft Azure. D. Action details can be directly written to either of those cloud storage solutions. Answer: D. 7. In a decision strategy, to use a customer property in an expression, you blank. A. Use the property as defined without any prefix. B. Prefix the property with the keyword customer. C. Define customer page in pages and classes. D. Define the property as a strategy property. Answer: B. 8. What does a dotted line from a group by component to a filter component mean? A. Information from the group by component is copied over to the filter component. B. The filter component references a property from group by component. C. Evaluate the filter component first to evaluate the group by component. D. There is a one-to-one relationship between the group by and the filter components. Answer: D. 9. In a prioritization component, the top action can be determined based on the value of blank. A. Propensity. B. Customer value. C. Primary income. D. Average margin of all actions. Answer: A. Subscribe and like past question.